Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So pretty much what we are doing is the part 2 to the last video that I posted. You are going to see just a few clips that are similar to that last video. So if you didn't go and check that one out, make sure you go and do that, because I won't really be going into detail of like the first part of this video, just because I explained everything in detail over on that video. So if you didn't see that one, click out of this one, go watch that one first, and then come back and watch this one next. So pretty much what we're going to be doing today is completing a custom order for one of my clients. She requested a specific style with the color of the unit being jet black. So that's pretty much what we're doing today. Like I said before, I already went over all of this part, so you guys won't really hear anything from me for right now. But later on, when it comes down to the styling and going over all of that, I will come back and explain things a little bit more to you guys.
Oh, beside me. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Like the pipe, like the bike, make sure you're going in the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Girl, I know you, she wanna run me the not in LA, but you knew that, baby. We are not in Kansas, but you knew that, baby. You don't like romances, but I knew that, baby. You tell me what not to, but I do that, baby. You posting for cameras, you take all the shine. You taking the photos, I taking the wine. I know that you been sipping on a little bit of all, baby. Just give me your number in a minute, I'ma call you, baby. All the things I put a hold on, just for you to tell me hold on. Why should I even hold on, girl? Drinks up, she's broken, love lost, found, babe. Drinks up, we smoking, all goes down, babe. It's starting to feel like it's hysteria. It's starting to feel like hysteria. It's starting to feel like hysteria. It's starting to feel like oh, oh, oh. Tell me what you say. Tell me what you say.
So now we have our final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I actually had a good time making it. If you were able to pick up on any pointers that I showed you guys, or just pretty much anything from the video at all, that you'll be doing newly into your routine when you're styling your units or your hair, please feel free to comment down below and let me know. Let me know if you like the video, if you don't like it, if it's something you would like me to add for next time around. Feel free to comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Thank you.